about my traffic violation in LTO branch in Manila. That's why I'm coming from Bulacan. So I decided to travel as early. So it's very early. So that's why I'm going to view around their place here in the Philippines. Thank you very much, Mom. Jump on. Here in my place. And the side of highway. Now it's only early morning. Today is the times now is almost 5 a.m. today, this day. So that's why I'm going to live to show my this is my place, beautiful place. Good morning, NASA. Maybe, but I don't have idea in your place, in your country. But this time in the Philippines is early in the morning, almost 5:20 a.m. Here in the Philippines today, you look at this road, highway, so clean and very smooth traffic. But maybe in rush hour or around 7 to 10, it's traffic. This way. Okay, I'm going to around here. This is a monument of our heroes.